The difference between night and day, understanding English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, night and day. This idiom is often used to describe two things that are extremely different, just like the difference between, well, night and day. Stay tuned as we break down this expression and show you how to use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, night and day, has been used for centuries, and it's easy to see why. The contrast between night, when it's dark, and day, when it's light, is one of the most natural and stark contrasts in our daily lives. This idiom taps into this universal experience to describe any two things that are as different as can be. When we say two things are night and day, we're emphasizing that they are opposites or have very notable differences. For example, if you've improved your English pronunciation significantly, you might say, "My pronunciation now is night and day compared to when I first started learning." Let's look at some examples to see how night and day can be used in sentences. After the renovation, the look of the park is night and day. It's so much better now. His attitude before and after the trip was night and day. He seems much happier. The efficiency of the new system compared to the old one is like night and day. Sometimes, you'll hear variations like day and night, or like night and day. They all mean the same thing and can be used interchangeably. Remember, the key is the contrast. And that's it. The phrase, night and day, is a colorful way to describe big differences. We hope this video has shed some light on how you can use this expression to add flair to your English. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.